What's that? Yeah,
Rumble.
I'll try it out. I was in the back chest now.
Leave none
Alright, I'm gonna
standing.
try out the Red Dead. Just to bring a... Just to see how this Red Dead works. Make a review on the gun. I'm 100% sure I'm gonna come last in this match. For some reason it's hard to play on this map. You know, I thought the Red Dead was one of those pulse rifles that you hold on the trigger and it just keeps shooting, but it's not. Yeah, because I use the badge so much and the, what do you call it? The actually got a kill with it though. Actually got a kill with this gun. Yeah, it was fully auto. Ooh, guy behind me. He's on the side of me now. You're trying to make it hard for me, right? You should have shoot instead of trying to run away from the shots. You just shot. Because it took me so long to get that kill, but thanks for giving me the kill. Yeah, this gun is the worst gun in the game. Why they even put pulse rifles in the game if they made it pretty much useless? You need about three to four bursts with this, like to the head, to get a kill. When there's guns, you just need about 3 or 4 shots to kill. And I keep messing up. I keep holding down the trigger. I wish I could like stab guys with a gun or kill them faster. If there was a gun bot. Yeah, I'm 100% sure they're coming last in this game. Make sure that no one uses this gun. This gun is the worst gun in the game. Yeah, I have no chance. No chance using the Red Dead.
Heavy ammo on the way.
I'm gonna stick it out for this.
Heavy ammo available.
For this whole match. So I'll know for sure, like when Zed brings another pulse rifle, I won't buy it. Yeah. Then stuff like that happen. Wow, right when I was about to get a kill, the door closed. Yeah, I'm gonna die now. Yeah. When they see me, it's just like, it triggers off in their head, easy kill, easy kill. Yeah, scout rifles are pretty beast now. I think I'm just melee, just kill guys with melee. I just killed you with 3 melees. I'll just melee. I have a better chance just melee. I have a better chance just using a melee. At least the gun looks good. If this was a auto rifle, this would have been my favorite gun in a game. Actually got a kill. Wow, I actually got a kill. Yeah. Yeah. You just, yeah, I saw that. You just put your bubble dog. I thought he put it on to blind me. Yeah, that's what he. What? He still got me, but I got him.
Only 5 minutes left.
I had to use my melee just to get one kill. Wow. Yeah, that happens a lot in this game. Yeah, that guy's MLG. His name is Ninja, so he has to be MLG. Yeah. I have no idea why that. Whoa! Yeah. Let me try using a scout rifle. Let me see if they really beef this up. I have to remember, I have to keep clipping the trigger though. I forgot. Ooh, yeah, the scout rifle's beast now. Oh, I think that guy was weak, I don't know. Woo. Yeah, I just
Heavy
keep seeing
ammo
guys in my map and
inbound.
it's freaking me out.
Heavy ammo available.
Oh! Wow. What's that? Yeah, they beefed up the scout rifle. It's much better than a pulse rifle. Oh, nah, like, obviously it's still better to use a
Looks like you've misjudged your enemy.
Still died. Militia, if I beat you in this match, something is terribly wrong. Yeah, we keep running into the wrong people. Get scout rifle to the head, son. Oh! Get scout rifle to the head, militia. Let's go. That guy got me with a hand cannon. And he died after. That's what you get for trolling me. I think the guy who won, I gave him all the kills. He kept farming kills off of me. Whoa! What? Really? You know when you're in a gunfight and a guy just disappears? That's what happened. Militia, I have no idea how you actually was behind me in the list. I have no idea.
I kept getting shot in the back.
You know what you have to do in this game to get stuff? You have to make sure and come last. Because when you come last, you're 100% sure to get something. you plan to come last so that you can get something, right?
Exactly.
Alright.